Hi, welcome to buildmysiteforfree.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the popular plugin Google Analytics. Now, after installing this plugin and making an account with Google Analytics, what will happen is it starts tracking how many people found your site, how people did find your site, what they did on it, and essentially having all this information will help you improve your website. So the first thing you need to do is actually create an account with Google Analytics for this to work. But what I'm going to do is show you where you can find the plugin, because I feel you should install the plugin first. This way, after you create the account, you're ready to start making your settings and use this plugin to its full advantage. So what I did first was I came to buildmysiteforfree.com. I clicked this link where it says plugins, and in alphabetical order I found the Google Analytics plugin. So here it is on the 8th page, and I downloaded as a zip file this plugin, Google Analytics for WordPress. You can also find the plugin by searching the WordPress directory on your blog account as well. Then what I did was I came back to the dashboard and I added the plugin by uploading it. So now I have this plugin ready and active, so once I create my account, I'm able to now start using it. So we have the plugin. What you want to do next is come to google.com/analytics and create an account. If you already have an account, you just sign in. If you don't, what you want to do is sign up now and create an account. After creating an account, it's going to ask you to validate it, so it will give you a code. So now, after you've installed the plugin and created your account, what you want to do is come back to the dashboard. You're going to open up the settings link where you will now have a setting under it called Google Analytics, and this will bring you to the Google Analytics for WordPress configuration page. So here you could either, one, manually enter that code right here by checking the box, or you could click where it will say for you, authenticate with Google. I've already did this, so that's why it says re-authenticate. But what you would do is you would click authenticate with Google. It will bring you to the Google Analytics page where you sign into your account, and it will then synchronize your blog or website with your Google Analytics account, and then it's going to automatically start tracking everything you have on your blog. So this is the first step after creating your account. Now, there's just a few settings that you want to change or keep. The great thing about a lot of these plugins is most of the settings are already done by default, so you really don't need to change them. Some people that might be more technologically advanced or want certain things that others don't can change some of the settings here, but most of them are already done by default, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. So first what I do is I keep this by default. It's where the tracking code should be placed, and I think it should always be placed in the header, so I keep that as default. But you do have another option where you can insert it manually. The next box is also checked by default, and you want to always make sure this is checked because what it's doing is it's tracking outbound clicks and downloads, which is essentially what you want if you're using Google Analytics. You can also show, by clicking this box, it will open up two boxes where you have some advanced settings that you don't need to change, but you can. So first we have the custom variable settings. So here you can actually track specific variables. These variables are as listed. You can track all the logged in users, you can track specific post types, you can even track different authors by the page views that are on the author's posts, you can track what tags are clicked to get to posts. For some posts that maybe be old that still get traffic, you can actually track the publication year. And you can track single or all categories. And if you do want any of these tracked by Google Analytics and you want them in your report, you would just check each box. And then I will emphasize that after each setting, you want to always make sure you click this blue button that says Update Google Analytics Settings, or else nothing you just changed will be saved. And if you notice, each box has one. Now, the other advanced settings option is right here where it has other options for you to change if you'd like. And of course, at the end, it will give you an Update Google Analytics Settings. Other than the advanced settings, it will also show you these two options. So we have first the internal links to track. So if you have internal links you want tracked, you're going to insert the link right here and then click Update. Here, if you want to confirm that the tracking in your blog is actually working, you are going to enable these options and then once again update. You even have the option, if you made a mistake or you want to refix everything, to reset all settings by clicking this. But in order to save each option you change, you need to make sure at the bottom of the box you click Update. Now after this, you are all ready to have your Google Analytics working, whenever you want to see your report and what's being tracked, you can go to your Google Analytics account and track it from there. And this video has been brought to you by BuildMySiteForFree.com. Thank you for watching.